wage. 17 states gear up to begin payment of 70,000 naira. In a significant move across Nigeria, 17 state governors have established committees to implement the new 70,000 naira minimum wage for workers. This development comes as federal government began paying its 1.2 million employees the increased wage last Thursday. According to the Accountant General of the Federation, Oluwatoyin Madeyin, federal civil servants will receive the new minimum wage subsequently starting in September. States taking action include Ogun, Ekiti, Sokoto, Kebbi, Osun, Enugu, Borno, Zamfara, Kogi, Kwara, Gombe, Kano, Taraba, Delta, Rivers, Jigawa, and Abia. Some states have already started payments. Adamawa's governor, Ahmadu Fintiri, began implementing the new minimum wage in August, ahead of the federal timeline. Lagos and Edo State have also commenced payments. In Anambra, Governor Chukwuma Soludo announced that the state will begin paying the 70,000 naira minimum wage from October 2024. He made this declaration during a meeting with school principals and head teachers at the Professor Dora Akunyili Women's Development Center in Awka. However, the Nigerian Labour Congress has raised concerns about the eroding value of the new minimum wage due to rising inflation and fuel costs. An NLC official speaking to the point stated that the 70,000 naira minimum wage has already been eroded by the actions and policies of the government. Other states, including Imo, Nasarawa, and Ondo, have expressed readiness to implement the new wage structure. Osun State is awaiting a committee report on implementation modalities. In Delta and Bayelsa, the situation remains unclear. Governor Sheriff Oborewori of Delta State mentioned that they are waiting for the new minimum wage chart to avoid mistakes. Several other states, including Sokoto, Kebbi, Enugu, Zamfara, Kogi, and Kwara, have set up committees to discuss the details of the new minimum wage implementation. Stay tuned to our news channel for latest updates on this story.